Hello, today we're talking about extensions. Extensions are little programs that live up in the right-hand corner of your Chrome browser. As long as you're logged into Chrome, all of your extensions will pop up here. Extensions are little programs that help you do stuff, and many of these extensions are pushed out by the district, so they automatically appear. So we have Clever, GoGuardian, and this Gopher extension. You can also search for extensions to find things that will be useful for you. To search for extensions, make a new tab and you can go to the Chrome Web Store. Just type in Chrome Web Store and it comes up here. Click on that. You want to make sure you click extensions here, and then you can scroll to see if you find any extensions that you are interested in, or for example, you might search for one. So I know that there's an extension for Google Classroom. Click on that. And so this one is offered by Google. When you install extensions, you want to make sure that they are from a reputable company because they are little programs that can do stuff in your browser. So you want to make sure that they're secure. So I click on this. It's going to tell me what it'll do, and it'll give me some screenshots. So this is by Google reviews. And it'll show me what it does, so I can automatically post to Google Classroom. And then the last thing you do is click Add to Chrome. And next thing I know, it's popped up here. So now if I wanted to, I can click on it and it will show me how to add to my different classrooms. So if you add an extension and you don't like it, or in the case of you have an extension that's doing things that you don't want it to, you can click on the three dots, go down here to Tools, and then you're going to choose Extensions. Mine's showing over here on the right-hand side off screen. Once you get in here to the extensions, this is where you would add or remove extensions. So the ones that have the little building by it, those are the ones that are pushed out by the district and you can't remove those. But for example, this Share to Classroom, the one that I just installed, if I didn't want that there, I can click Remove and it will remove it. A lot of times if you get an extension that is when you go to try to remove it, it might take you to a new website that says, why are you leaving? You don't have to answer those questions. You can just click out of the tab and your extension will be removed. So that's extensions.